This weighs less than a motorcycle, and I'm about to fly it. Let me show you around. It's called the Hexa, and it's a one-seater drone. Ready? Look at this. This is your pilot helmet, your comms. Put that on. In the middle, you got an iPad Pro with augmented reality to show you where the digital fences are so you don't drive too far. This is your joystick. If you want to climb, you pull that up like this. Descend. You want to slide right like that. Slide left, pull forward, backwards. And back here is how you rotate it. All right, look at this. The reason why it's so light is because everything is carbon fiber, including the legs. These are fully buoyant. You got 6 of them. That means that this can land on water. In the middle, you have another buoyant piece. This also cushions any kind of damage. It's got 18 propellers, and 6 of them can go out, and you'll be completely okay. Check this out. This is a parachute, a ballistic parachute. In case something terrible happens, it'll go in the center, in the middle. This is the battery. 18 of them, very easy to install. And they save weight in a million different ways. This is 3D printed titanium, and there's 18 of them, and they go right here. Each one weighs 200 grams, making everything a lot lighter. Carbon fiber propeller, feels like a weapon. You can cut some stuff up. Let's go. All right, ready? Yep.
Confirm clear above.
Okay. All right, you got to step back. All right. Ready? All right. Taking off. Look, no hand. No problem. All right. That was freaking insane, man.
Standing by.
I cannot believe what just happened. That was unreal. I can't wait for this to actually come out in public. I just flew a drone, man. I've never flown anything else in my entire life. That was one of the most memorable experiences of my entire life. That was freaking crazy. This is crazy. Come to the back. All right. This is wild. Look at these scales. When you brake, everything actually turns red and pulls back like that. When you drive this thing, depending on which direction you turn, this thing will actually turn with you, which is mind-blowing. This is the Mercedes Vision AVTR, a collaboration between Mercedes and Avatar. You see these lights back here? These lights, the faster you drive, the faster these lights will go. All right. Check this out. These are the wheels. Each wheel can move independently. So what you get is you can actually literally crab walk and drive diagonally. But you see this glowing light? This can also change depending on what mode you're on. So if you're charging this thing, see all the lights go to the middle. This is also an indicator. So when you're turning, you want an indicator, flick it. That is mind-blowing. To use your wheel as an indicator. Right, on the inside, little sneak peek of what I'm about to show you. But let's go to the front. Oh yeah. Mercedes logo to tell everybody that Mercedes has made a badass car. Let's go inside, because this thing is wild. So, I have a little secret button. Little fingerprint scanner. No, don't show them the secret button. What you'll get, the door comes up. So what you'll see is that this actually looks like an insect wing, and this is moving in the back to create a car that's alive. Check out this interior. What you'll see is that in the back, the seat literally becomes the headrest, which is crazy. All right, let me go inside. This is vegan leather, and this wood right here is made from an invasive root. So by extracting it, Mercedes is actually able to save some plants. Right, there is no steering wheel, but that's because you can drive this thing just with this. When you put your hand on it, everything comes to life, and now, oh my God, come on. So first I'm gonna pull forward, and we're off. Wow. So look, so when I turn it left like this, when I tilt it, we turn like that. When I turn right, you'll see we're turning. Forward is accelerate, and backwards is to brake. That is crazy.
This is a nearly $2 million custom Lamborghini Urus. How beautiful is the paint job? So we've got custom forged carbon fiber coming around. These massive wheels with special carbon fiber covers. And this is why it's so special. This is the only two-door Lamborghini Urus. At the back, we've got our 3 spoilers. And this awesome tri-exhaust. Before I show you guys inside, check out the key in the special custom color. Check it out. This is a Venitus by Mansouri, and it's a 1 of 8. And this one is completely custom. How beautiful is the interior? Okay, jump on the other side. Start stops on the roof. In reverse. Got a special 3D camera. And you can check the whole car in 3D. And when I turn the wheel, you can see it turning in live time. We've got the star roof going all the way around the back, and on the other side we've got our special custom seats, Mansouri, coupe, and custom seat belts. I think it's time to drive. Let's change roads. Let's go. Whoa. Zero to 100 in 2.9 seconds. And this guy has been pumped up to 900 horsepower. What do you guys think? Check this out. This is the Hydro Flyer. And it's a mix between a hoverboard and a jet ski. This is our accessory bag. We've got our front wing, our smaller wing, our mast, our propeller, and our detachable handlebar. First we'll attach the mast. Our cables feed in to connect to the motherboard. slot in. Slot in to the mast. Slots in. What makes it similar to a jet ski is that it's got attachable handlebars. Okay, let's put the battery in. And our battery goes in here. These connect to the motherboard. And these attach to the battery. For safety, the remote needs to be attached to this magnet. It'll automatically go on. We've got our power, our 3 levels of speed, and it can even go in reverse. How cool is that? Our throttle at the back. And you can see it on the screen. Okay guys, check this out. This is how you open one of the smallest cars in the world. It's a 2-seater Trident microcar. And inside, this is how you start your engine. We've got our screen, window wiper switch, speedometer, emergency stop, and our indicators. Our handbrake, our gear selector, and because there's no AC, we've got a fan. At the back, our speakers, and underneath is our engine with 4.2 horsepower and a whopping speed of 45 kilometers per hour. It's a 3-wheeler with a secret window. Golden lights and golden window wiper. Let's get inside. Check out the indicator. It's probably the tiniest I've ever seen. Look at it compared to a standard SUV. It's like 3 times the size. You can fit 3 of these in the same size as the SUV. This is how you start it. Turn the key. Press the yellow button. I'm really surprised at how tight the turning radius is. Look at this! Check me out. Bye-bye.